This 2024 primetime Avenger 25BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new primetime is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, smoke detector, LP detector, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, external shower, air conditioning, leveling jacks, skylight, water heater, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 primetime Avenger 25BH is 4,284 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.